The box still good?
Yeah, box still good.
Hey, no splash! No splash.
Oh man! Oh man! Oh my god, look at Chin right next to us. We're stuck forever. I'm so scared. I don't want to die.
If you want to go left, then you push on the right. You want to go right, you push on the left.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's Jennifer! Ah!
Chinny, we beat you with this paddle.
Yeah.
What the?
All right.